Good afternoon and welcome to the change and nature's paradise at Summer Shell Natural Farms Ramnagar, the pride of Purnia and Bihar. परिवर्तन का प्रतीक एवं पर्यावरण संतुलन का पर्याय बन चुका समर शेल प्राकृतिक फार्म रामनगर से मैं आपका मित्र हिमकर मिश्रा आप आज की वीडियो प्रस्तुति में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूँ. टुडे वी आर एट आवर ड्यूरी स्ट्रेच ऑफ द फार्म and as you can see the ड्यूरी stretch of the farm tells an entirely new story here. It's a very thick green cover all around, and the pattern and the sequence is the same as elsewhere. We have turmeric beneath the ground tuber, we have vetiver, we have agastya here, the agastya leaves here with very strong medicinal properties, anti-cancerous, anti-rheumatic arthritis, and so on and so forth. Very good for the liver and the spleen. We have the lemons, the Gandharaj lemons, the Jameri lemons here. Then you have the pink pepper here. You have the Desi Tua here. And what Subodh has done today, after the pruning in this part, he has also sown Desi mustard here all around. And as you can see, the quality of the soil. सुबह तुम्हें का मिट्टी की तरफ दिखाना. It's totally it's a transformed lot. You can see it's so rich and you can just see how good this soil is. You don't need to send the soil for analysis and for testing for its properties. The dense cover, the dense green cover says it all. And all this while, the vetiver grass had grown very long, 6 feet, 7 feet, and you have a lot of giloi also on the bale here, on the bale trees. And you have a lot of guavas here, you have jamun, you have mangoes, you have the lychees, and you have the desi tua, you have the subabuls, and this natural mulch of the weeds and the vetiver grass here weaves magic all around this stretch of the farm. And as you can see here, after these are the bale, this is a bale tree, and these are very raw now, but in a couple of months when they are ready, this is very good for the stomach when it ripens, and it cools your stomach, your intestines, augments your health, has a lot of antioxidants, and the leaves are very sacred. And as all of us who worship Lord Shiva, the leaves are offered to Lord Shiva in the month of Savan, and and all Mondays when we go and pray to Lord Shiva. Yeah, you have papayas in between, you have the guavas in between, the L49 varieties, and as we go forward, you would see. You would see what I am talking about, and I'll tell Subodh to focus on the soil here after the mulch, and you can see the quality of the soil. Subodh, तुम इस मिट्टी की तरफ एक बार ये रखो. You can just see how rich the soil is. थोड़ा सा हाथ से निकालो. हाँ. So this is what multi-layer natural farm does to the soil system. Yeah. And the vetiver after the rain brings out all the micronutrients from inside to the surface, and this is what makes this soil such a rich source of soil building, humus, and a general positivity all along. And ये कौन सा है पेड़ ये सुबह?
हर्षा
लोकल जंगली
जी फल है.
तो नाउ अच्छा ये हम लोग का वो उस पर आ गए हैं क्या? अब ठाकुरबाड़ी वाला जो ज़मीन था वो उसके बाद है. ओके.
उस साइड में उत्तर से दक्षिण साइड में.
The girls and the women are pruning the weeds here, and as they in the process, what you would see, a lot of desi tua would be released into the vertical space, which would help them grow very fast after that. And what we are doing is Subodh has sown desi mustard in the the cleared part here. And what we'll do is we'll also add desi masoor in 10-15 days from now. So this is how you keep the multi-cropping, the vertical space, and all these things that I talked about is something like these trees of pink pepper would begin to fruit next year. This is just 6-7 months old, and these are all air layering. These are all grafts which have been prepared through air layering, and as you can see here, the girls are just clearing everything. And most of these girls, they go to school. They're all in the high school, and when the school is closed, they choose their time to come and work here, and they add so much of positivity and so much of joy and happiness in the farm. Here they giggle around, they laugh, they play with each other, and they also work very, very hard. So, and as I told you, this is basically a women's farm. So from here, but all these Gandharaj lemons, as you would see, the thorns are so sharp and protruding. When I brush against these thorns, it leaves a deep bruise and a deep cut everywhere. The rains have abated, though the weather forecast is heavy rains in the next 48 hours. Let's see, we did have good rains 48 hours ago, but since yesterday was a very cloudy day, lot of breeze, but today it's back to hot and humid here. And all these girls, they have also learned a lot to speak about. They know what haldi is. For example, they would know haldi as turmeric, they would know khas as vetiver, they would know lemons as Gandharaj. So in the course of what we speak here on a daily basis, we initiate them into the terminology of what we are doing here, and that's a very welcome sign here. So, and these are all vetiver. There is southern variety of vetiver, and this adds strength and nourishment to. And as you can see, as we have cleared here, you can see the green Gandharaj. These were planted late, and these are fruiting late, and they still need some time to ripen. So there's a lot of Gandharaj here, which have ripened, and more than that, which are beginning to ripen here. And it's actually a very, very a fascinating story to all. And my walking through these dense cover, saving myself the bruises from the Gandharaj, the lemon trees here. And again, you would see we have a lot of subabul and moringa all around us. Lucky we have the preponderance of subabul here, but we shall show you a few moringa also. Just for example, here these are the moringa from which group we raised them in the nursery beds from seeds, and now they're growing so high and all that. And we have grown quite a number of them here. And just a day before yesterday, we planted in the near our temple here in the Deori, which is known as Bhansaghar, the trust land of Bhagwati, of the goddess. Around 4 kathas where we planted a lot of moringa stems over I think कितने लगाए होंगे वहाँ 100-150 लगाए होंगे जी उसमें 100 जाना जी. And then we have desi tuvar there we have 100 odd guava saplings there. They're all growing very fine, and of course vetiver. So this is what's happening in the farm here. This is the western end of the farm, and here, as you can see, they have a lot of desi bananas here. So this is nature's own farming, as the tagline of most of my posts would read. And they have a longer shelf life. They are they have a lower glycemic index. That means the diabetic patients can also have these guavas, and they are more used for the pujas, traditional pujas like Chhat and Kartik Purnima and all here. So now, as we move towards back towards the other side, this is the end of the church. हम लोग एक बार वहाँ पे चलो तो वहाँ जा सकते हैं क्या? हाँ. So as we walk towards the Deori, the Bhansaghar that I was talking about, and this area has been pruned only today. So tomorrow, day after, they would all degrade, and again, this soil formation, the fertility being augmented. That is the story of, this is the Ramnagar story actually. And as I can tell you, as I can vouch for it, Ramnagar shall be a household name in the years to come, in days ahead. And here, this is the stretch of land that I was talking about. This is the Bhagwati land, and I have decided that all revenue generated from here, the proceeds from here would go to building the corpus of the trust, of the temple trust, and this would be our contribution to making the restoring the Jorhi pride once again. क्या है वो?
तोड़ी
निकल भी गया? कब किए थे इसमें?
अगले 4 दिन है।
4 दिन ही हुआ होगा। परसों किए थे? कल ही तो किए थे?
हाँ परसों।
अच्छा, तो इसका मैंने जो बारिश के कारण इसका वो निकलना शुरू हुआ है. And all these things you see, as I was telling you, Zar idhar aao, Zar come back. This is the vetiver. This is the wild vetiver, the local vetiver here. You have desi tuar behind me here, in front of me scattered here. All these are moringa stumps everywhere. You have moringa stumps in plenty here. You have the jackfruit on all sides, and you have desi mustard which has been sown here once the pruning was complete here. So again here it's a multi-level cropping, too many things coming up and too many things adding overall to the prosperity of the village, of the farm, the Deori and the village. So Ramnagar Deori is something that would hold your attention in the days to come. And by default I am the chosen one because I am the first case of reverse migration in the family who left his corporate life to come back to the village, and mind you, with no regrets at all. I love being here. It's I don't feel like going away from the farm ever, and I don't like anything else. There's no life for me beyond the farm. I go back home, take a shower and crash out, only to get up in the morning and rush back to the farm for a new day activity. So we'll end the video here, the update here, and as we end it here, हवा मत छोड़ो इसमें, नहीं तो खराब हो जाएगा.
हिला दे इसको.
हाँ?
कोई हिला दे.
So let me tell you what I tell you every day. Keep appreciating, keep criticizing, keep suggesting, but don't forget to watch the video updates from Summer Shell Natural Farm, Ramnagar, the pride of Purnia and Bihar. हमारे हिंदी के दर्शकों के लिए हमेशा की तरह प्रशंसा कीजिए, आलोचना कीजिए, सुझाव दीजिए, पर देखना ना भूलिए, क्योंकि समर शेल प्राकृतिक फार्म रामनगर आज तो सिर्फ बिहार, पूर्णिया और बिहार का गौरव है, पर आने वाले समय में ये पूरे देश का गौरव होगा. और वो दिन भी शायद दूर नहीं जब हम इसे सफलतापूर्वक विश्व के मानचित्र पर भी स्थापित कर पाएंगे. समर शेल नेचुरल फार्म today is the pride of Purnia and Bihar, but I can assure you the day is not far off when this beautiful natural farm shall be the pride of the country, and perhaps in not a too distant future, this farm shall occupy a place of pride on the global map. Thank you very much. This is your Himkar Mishra. This is your friend Himkar Mishra telling you goodbye from Ramnagar Deori and with the endeavor at Summer Shell Natural Farms, Ramnagar. Thank you very much.